guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 different looks that you can create and carry with just one lipstick, and that is a red lipstick. Now red lipstick is something which can be worn by absolutely anyone, no matter what your occasion is, what skin complexion you have and what outfit you're wearing. Red lipstick will never disappoint you. So without wasting any time, let's just dive right into the video. Start by applying red lipstick. I've already done my base. Watch my other videos to know how I do it, linked in the info box down below, and also take a look at the video linked on the screen right now to know about my favorite red lip colors. Next, I'm using Colossal Kajal from Maybelline New York to apply my eyeliner. Now if you're not good with eyeliners, don't worry about it. I will just let you know about the trick that hides all your mistakes. Now I'm using this applicator to smudge the eyeliner. As I just told you not to worry about the messy eyeliner, this trick will help in covering all the mistakes you make and you will get that perfect smoky effect. Also, don't hesitate to use your fingers to extend your eyelid to get that perfect shape of the liner. This is a really useful trick for all the beginners out there. Again, just going in the 2 and 4th motion to get that perfect smoky effect. Now I'm using Scandaleyes Reloaded Mascara from Rimmel London to get those voluminous lashes. You need to apply 2-3 coats of the mascara and look down while applying it. Also, don't forget your lower lashes. There you go, look number 1 is complete. So simple and so quick. Now I'm using this kajal from Nykaa to apply a wing liner, just extending the previously applied liner. Again, use your fingers if you struggle with the wing liner. Now there is a complete video on this eyeliner that I'm using right now, so watch that, linked on the screen and in the info box down below. Now I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Color Bar to highlight my inner corners and my eyebrow bone. There you go, look number 2 is also complete. Now I've used these Cara wet wipes to remove the wing that I just applied to get look number 3. I'm using the Colossal Kajal again, applying it on my lower lash line. And now using this white kajal from Wet n Wild, I'm applying it on the waterline. Now this trick really helps in making your eyes look big, and look number 3 is complete. So there you go, all the looks are complete. They were quite simple and easy to do. So yeah, this is it for today's video. Let me know which one was your favorite out of the 3 looks that I showed you. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bells on and keep coming back for more videos.